Hello guys, so this is my new video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So how to prove it is equal to this? So let's start. I will choose left hand side of this sum, a plus b cube. So we know that a square, I can write here a into a, and a cube a into a, and this is also write as a square into a, because base are same, power will be add. So now I apply in this section to it, a plus b square and a plus b. Now we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a plus b as our remain. Now I will multiply to this a cube by this a b square by this 2a square b plus by this a square b plus by this b cube and by this 2ab square. So what we have, a cube and plus b cube plus ab square, this is 2ab square, so it will be add 3ab square, and 2a square b plus ab square, they are same, so it also add, and we have proof, hence proof. Thank you guys. If you are new my channel, please subscribe to my channel.